Prom 2025 is coming and you have no clue what to wear, don't know where to shop, and when to start. And let's be real, how do you even impress your date without blowing your whole life savings? And if you think you got plenty of time, think again. Today, we'll break it all down step by step, making sure you show up to your prom looking like a legend, never a last minute disaster. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a game plan to own your prom night like a boss and find out how to get a special prom gift just for you. Let's process this together. Number one, what to wear and where to get it. First up, your prom fit. Are you renting, buying, or straight up winging it? Guys, do not wing it. You want a look that's clean, fits right, and actually makes you feel good. First, are we renting or buying? If you're on a budget, rent a suit or a tuxedo from places like Men's Warehouse, the Black Tux, or online rental services like Generation Tux. Rental ranges from $150 to $250 depending on the retailer and the specific style. Overall, buying is the best option if you want something reusable. And what if I told you that you could own a brand new suit or a tuxedo, one that hasn't been worn by 1,000 other guys before you, for less than the cost of a rental? Check out our website, add us in the comments, for a large collection of suits and tuxedos for under $200.